PayPal Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to PayPal and related tools are in the description. In this review, we'll break down the features, strengths, and weaknesses of PayPal and help you decide if it's the right payment processor for your dropshipping business. PayPal is one of the most widely used and trusted payment gateways globally. For dropshippers, it provides a quick and secure way to accept payments from customers across the world. PayPal integrates with leading e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. PayPal allows you to accept credit cards, debit cards, and even PayPal wallet payments, offering flexibility for customers. It's perfect for dropshipping stores that need an easy-to-use payment solution with a global reach. Features. PayPal's key features include instant payment processing, allowing customers to pay quickly and merchants to receive funds immediately. It offers buyer and seller protection, which safeguards both parties during the transaction process. PayPal also supports multi-currency payments, making it suitable for international dropshipping businesses. The platform provides recurring billing options, which can be useful for businesses that offer subscription-based services. PayPal's robust reporting and analytics allow you to track transactions, manage refunds, and view detailed financial insights to make data-driven decisions. Strengths. PayPal's biggest strength is its global acceptance and trust among consumers. Most customers are familiar with PayPal and feel comfortable using it, which can increase your conversion rates. Its buyer and seller protection programs provide peace of mind by reducing the risk of fraud and chargebacks. PayPal also offers easy integration with popular e-commerce platforms and has low setup costs, making it accessible for dropshippers just starting out. Instant access to funds is another advantage, helping you manage cash flow effectively. Weaknesses. One downside of PayPal is its transaction fees, which can be higher compared to other payment gateways, particularly for international transactions. These fees may eat into your profit margins, especially if you have a lot of cross-border sales. Another drawback is customer support, which can sometimes be slow or difficult to navigate. Finally, PayPal has been known to freeze accounts under certain circumstances, which can be a concern for dropshippers who have large or sudden spikes in transactions. Final verdict. PayPal is ideal for dropshipping businesses looking for a trusted global payment processor with simple setup and flexible payment options. It's especially great for businesses targeting international customers. However, if you're concerned about high fees or possible account freezes, it may not be the best fit for high-volume or niche dropshippers. Check the links in the description to explore PayPal and see if it suits your business needs.